everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, back with another great kit for you. This is a quick and easy summer flip-flop that would be great hanging on your door, out by your pool, anywhere. It's just really cute for summer and it's quick and easy to make. So, of course, as always with our kits, everything that you need will be included except for your glue and your scissors. So, this kit is going to come with this adorable Grapevine flip-flop. It has the cute pink with the blue polka dots. You're going to get this really pretty zinnia pick that has the nice, fun, summery colors. And we have this beautiful plaid, this flip-flop ribbon, and this aqua dot. So, let's get started. So, as always with these paper stems, I always like to trim off a lot of the stem. We're going to leave, about 1.5 inches or so. But I always like to put a little glue on the bottom because these are paper wrap stems and we don't want it to come apart. So I always like to dip it in glue or just take your glue gun and squirt a little glue on there. And then I just kind of roll that around so that it keeps that all together and your bundle won't come apart. Next, we're going to go through and fluff up our stem nice and pretty. And this has a lot of fun textures in it. So this is a pretty stem. I love the pink with the purple. So we're going to take our ribbons. We're going to start out with this pretty plaid. And as always, these are wired ribbons. So we're just going to pinch and gather, flip, pinch and gather, flip or twist, pinch and gather. So we have a nice little short tail up there to stick up, and then we have our long tail. Then we are going to take our polka dot and do the same thing. Just lay that on there and leave a pretty tail up at the top. Twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And last but not least, we have our really cute flip-flop ribbon. And I'm just going to lay this in here just like so. I'm just going to lay it across this way. I'm going to leave a shorter tail at the top and a longer tail here. So we have our bow all made. And we're just going to take a piece of our wire and just wrap that right around. And then I just pull it nice and tight in the back and twist that just like a bread tie. So when you go to put this on, you could actually place this anywhere you want, and you could have your flowers hanging down if you like. I just chose to put it a little bit down on this so you can still see the straps of your flip-flops. So we're going to wire our bow right to our stem. So I'm just going to lay that right in there and wrap my wire right around the back of my stem. And again, I know you get tired of hearing me say twist just like a bread tie, but that's exactly what that reminds me of. And that keeps that on there nice and secure. And then I'm going to take the other half of my piece of wire, and I'm just going to run it right through here onto my grapevine. And that way, I can take my stem that's been put together, and I'm going to lay that right on here. And I'm going to use that wire that I just put on my grapevine flip-flop. And I'm going to wrap that right around the center of my bow. Just like so. And then again, I'm just going to twist it nice and tight to hold that nice and secure to our door hanger. And then you can trim off that excess wire. Now, the important part, don't forget, is to trim those tails so that they look pretty. So I'm just going to go through and trim all of the tails of my ribbon. And then we have these nice tails hanging down long, so that'll look pretty hanging down on the door. And you can even take them, roll them up if you want, and then curl them down. There's lots of things that you can do. And then just go back in and fluff your flowers. These are nice because they're wired, so they are going to stay in place, and they're going to stand up nice and pretty for you. And you have a quick and easy flip-flop door hanger. So just check us out at shopdeeslouisville.com. These kits are available there, and we have lots more great kits coming your way.